was working away on this little job last night, and I came out after dinner. I was kind of tired, and when you're tired you make mistakes. And when I came to make this little decorative little cut on it, I did it on the wrong side. It should have been this way up instead of this way up, and that took an hour to sort that all out. But what I thought I would do is I would just take this and snap it in half and throw it in the firewood pile. To my incredible surprise, this miter fast glue, this super glue which you use an accelerant for, is incredibly strong. I mean, I am pressing pretty hard here and it's not going to break. I think I felt a little crack there. So what I thought we'd do is stick it in the vise and see how much it takes to break it. First, let me try this lead acid battery, which I know is 2.5 kilograms. Now the glue joint doesn't seem to have any trouble with that. Now this old transformer, which I also use as a weight, I'd say it's about 4 kilograms. Let me just put that on there. That doesn't seem to be having any trouble with that either. Old 12 kilogram car battery. Oh boy, which I need a lot of strength to carry. I was sure this has got to break it. That seems okay. Now, another 2.5, that's 14.5 kilograms. This is 17 kilograms. 16 and 2.5 is 18.5. This has got to be it, surely. It's actually trying to... it fell over, but it didn't break. I actually hurt myself doing that. Wow. I think now I've got it in a better grip. Should be things like 12 or 16. This is 18.5. Well, I'm running out of heavy things to put on this. 21 kilograms. Wow. Now, I'm not a very strong person, but I certainly have to use both hands. Wow. Watch that. Big spider. Look out, arachnophobes. Now. Just let's see. This will be 20.5. Definitely bending over, but the joint is still firm. That's 20.5. This will be 23 kilograms. 23 kilograms. I was sure this big battery would just snap it like nothing, but boy, this is really... Can't possibly take 2 car batteries, surely can it? Now that is unbelievable! That is amazing. That's got to be 26 odd kilograms on it. I don't know what it's going to take to break this thing. 28 and a half. Well, there you go. 28 and a half is what it took. And it did break up the joint. Well, that was quite a surprise. I was sure that that joint was going to break with practically no effort at all. I was surprised that it even took 6 kilograms. But what did we get to? Was it 28 kilograms or something like that? It finally broke. My feeling about these super glues with an accelerant was that they were a sort of very quick fix for something that you weren't really worried about whether it was going to be a strong joint or not. So I used it for just things that I wanted to get done very quickly. I was really surprised at how incredibly strong this joint was. Not as strong, I think, as maybe an ordinary PVA glue could be, stronger than the wood itself, as it says. But this, I think I can heartily recommend this product, and ones that are quite like it. So, Everbuild, if you'd like to send me a year's supply of this, I really like that. I think maybe go 1 packet though. Oof.